Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to carry forward the rest of the topic in class 7 biology. Previously I already told you about the excretory organ, excretion and the structure of the kidney. So today I am going to start with the role of kidney in filtering the blood. So how the kidney is going to filter the blood? What kidney is having which helps in the filtration of the blood? So blood comes in the kidney through the renal artery. That means renal artery, it brings blood to the kidney. Now renal artery, it is a branch of aorta, that means the largest blood vessel. It is also branched out into the renal artery. Now when this renal artery brings the blood in the kidney, so inside the kidney the blood is going to filter. But how? Because the kidney is having millions of nephrons. Kidney is having millions of nephrons and it is known as the filtering unit of blood. Yeah, it is also known as the functional unit of kidney. Okay, so this functional unit, this nephrons helps in the filters the blood. Now these nephrons are surrounded by the number of capillaries which brings blood to the nephrons. That means nephrons is surrounded by number of blood capillaries which brings blood to the nephron. Now the blood which enters in the nephron, that contains metabolic waste, that means this blood contains metabolic waste along with some useful substances. Along with glucose, then after minerals and amino acids. That means inside the blood consists of metabolic waste with the ग्लूकोज, मिनरल्स एंड एमिनो एसिड. दैट मीन्स ब्लड में इंपॉर्टेंट सब्सटेंस भी होते हैं जो यूजफुल सब्सटेंस हैं हमारी बॉडी के लिए. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, all these useful substances, that means all these useful substances are filtered through the nephron. That means these all things are filtered through the nephrons. That means waste as well as the useful substances. Now what happened, the useful substances then reabsorbed from the filtrate. That means after this reabsorption takes place. All the useful substances are reabsorbed and get back toward the blood. ये reabsorb होकर के कहाँ चला जाता है? It get back towards the blood. Now the leftover filtrate contains the urea, excess of water and some minerals which forms a straw colored liquid which is known as the urine. Okay, so once I am again telling you, when the blood comes in the nephron, it contains useful as well as harmful substances and all these substances are filtered by the nephron. Then useful substances are reabsorbed and get back towards the blood, and harmful substances just like urea, excess water and minerals are going to form the urine which is a straw colored liquid. Now some big particles, some large molecules just like protein and red blood cells are not filtered because they are too big and they are not going to pass through the nephrons. Now just see the structure of the human excretory system. As I told you previously, it consists of a pair of kidney. These both are the kidney. Now they are having a tube like structure which is known as the ureter, and a bag like structure which is known as the urinary bladder, and a tube like structure which is known as the urethra. Now let's see the function. First I am telling you about the ureter, because about kidney I already told you. So ureter, it is a tube like structure which arises from the kidney, and it takes urine, it passes urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. That means what is the function of ureter? It passes urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Now the second part is urinary bladder. Now what is the function of urinary bladder? So urinary bladder, it is a muscular bag like structure present just below the ureter, and it stores urine temporarily. It stores urine temporarily until it is not going to release, जब तक ये release नहीं हो जाती है. Now the last part is here, urethra. This urethra is a short muscular tube like structure. It is a muscular tube like structure at the end of the urinary bladder. Bladder के नीचे एक tube like structure होगा, which is controlled by the sphincter muscles. It is controlled by the sphincter muscle. That means इसके अंदर sphincter muscles present होती है which controls the opening and closing of the urethra, and it helps in the releasing of the urine. Okay. Now last topic of here today's video, that is the urination. This urination, it also known as micturition. Or what is this? The removal of urine from the body is known as the micturition. That means the process of removal of urine is called as the urination. So this is all about the today's topic, and rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.